Good morning. Good morning, forensic scientists. Today we're going to be making shoe casts using plaster and sand. To do this, we're going to need some water, a mixing cup, a mixing popsicle stick, and a piece of wood to level the sand up. First thing we want to do is make sure the sand's nice and level. We don't need all of the sand to be level, but we want a nice area like right here. Then we take our spray bottle and we want to wet the sand. If the sand's not wet, your footprint's not going to stick. It's going to fill in. Then what we do is we just want to take our shoe. You can use your shoe, or we have some you can use.
You don't know what you're doing.
Get a nice shoe print in there. Make sure to rock your foot back and forth to get a nice indentation, and pull it out. Now we have our shoe print. What we're going to do next is make our plaster and pour that into the shoe mold. So you come over here, get about a half cup of plaster, pour it in your mixing pail, and we need to mix the plaster 2 to 1 with water. So 1/2 cup of plaster is 1 cup of water.
Other way around. 2 plaster for 1 water.
Oh.
Twice as much plaster.
Twice as much plaster for
So
water.
you need 1 more cup of plaster.
So I need 1 full cup of plaster.
You keep pressing it. She's not holding the right button.
1 full cup of plaster. And 1/2 cup of water. We pour the water into the plaster, leave our cup there, hold it by the bottom, and stir.
Should be like pancake batter.
Yeah, we want to make pancake shoe prints. My plaster is a little runny, so I can go get a little bit more plaster.
We're learning how to play.
Oh, we're doing shit. I'll tell you that. Very hard.
If your plaster was too thick, you add a little bit more water.
Yes, green dot.
Ooh, that's looking like some good pancake. So I've got my plaster all stirred up.
That's why. We need to
Bring it back to my shoe print, and I pour it in.
I forgot to put the hairspray. That's right. I'll talk to the kids about that. Do you want to mention that one thing you can do is put hairspray on the print?
One thing you can do is put hairspray on the print.
Before the plaster.
Before the plaster.
Smooth that out over the print.
Smoothing it to make sure I have the whole print covered. That's going to be a little air in my print.
That means turn the camera.
We can see the whole print is covered by plaster. Now we wait for it to harden and we can pull it off. Good job, forensic scientists.